Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Giselle and that's Tesla in the back. I don't think I've ever done a formal introduction of her on this channel, so let me introduce you guys real quick. This is Tesla. Say hi, girl. This is Tesla. She is almost 2 years old and she is a Siberian Husky. This series is inspired by her because I honestly have treated her better than I treat myself when it comes to self-care and what I put into my body. So I'm excited to share these healthy recipes with you guys. And she's excited too because she gets to eat more snacks. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a healthy pancake recipe for you and your dog. I was inspired to start this series because of her. I've had her for almost 2 years. Next month, she turns 2. If you follow me on my other social media accounts, you might have known that I have been on a health journey myself. But these last 2 years of having her, I've really realized that I go the extra mile for her. Like, I don't feed her anything processed just because she's my first dog as an adult. And I love her so much and I can't imagine like losing her. So I want her to live the longest, healthiest life possible. Meanwhile, before I used to like take myself out to eat to McDonald's or Wendy's like 3 times a week, and I realized and reflected that why am I not like that for myself? I should want to live a long life myself. But long story short, I realized that I should be taking care of myself as much as I've been taking care of her and giving myself the same self-care when it comes to the types of foods that I put into my body and how active I am. So she's honestly been such a great inspiration for my health journey these past 2 years. So I thought I'd make this a series where I'm sharing healthy recipes for you and your dog. I hope you guys are excited about this series. Today we are going to be making healthy pancakes. So first, for the dog-friendly pancake recipe, you'll basically need only like 4 ingredients, and it makes it even easier if you do have a blender because you get to like blend up all the oats so it's not super chunky. And I just put in all the ingredients into the blender and blended it up. All the ingredients will be listed down below as well as on the screen, so feel free to screenshot. And then for the pan, I'm just coating it with some coconut oil, and you basically just want to cook the batter as you would normal pancakes. Now this is the human version of the pancakes. The only difference is that you're using vanilla extract and baking powder, but the foundation of the ingredients for the batter is basically the same as the dog-friendly recipe, so all good whole ingredients. And as a topping, I just topped both of ours with strawberries and some Greek yogurt. Make sure the Greek yogurt or any yogurt that you use is dog-friendly for your dog's pancakes. Okay, so this is how the pancakes turned out. This one is mine. And then this one is the dog-friendly one for Tesla. As you can see, hers are a lot lighter than mine. I think it's because I have vanilla extract and the baking powder in here. Again, the recipe will be in the description because I don't want people to get confused between the dog-friendly and human. And there she is running for it. Tessie, you want pancakes? Wow, I'm gonna get sit. Sit. Licking your lips. Oh, good down. Thank you so much for staying to the very end of this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more healthy recipes for you and your dog and more content around self-care and wellness, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like and comment below what other healthy recipes you want to see. And I'm going to try to make healthy dog versions of them too. I am excited about this series and I hope you are too. And I know I'm not the only one obsessed with my dog, so this series is like just for us type of people, you know. So yeah, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.